This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $8 every 80 seconds quickly. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 subscribers, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, opinions, or concerns about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, I just want to say this before I get into this method. I want to say thank you again for helping me get to 4,000 subscribers. And I'm going to definitely do another giveaway because, like I said, I give away free money every time I reach 1,000 new subscribers. So my next goal and my next milestone is 5,000 subscribers. Now, 4,000 subscribers, it took a couple of months to get there. I want to get to 5,000 subscribers within a month, guys. And I do have a long-term goal for this year, which is 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. It seems like a long way, but I just believe in myself. I know I can get there with you guys' help. Now, what I'm going to do for this giveaway once I reach 5,000 subscribers is I'm going to have you guys follow these instructions. All you have to do is watch this video all the way through, and you're going to look for a code word. Once you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. And when I reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the only ones that found out what that code is when they saw it in the video and put it down in the comments. Those people are they're going to qualify to win the free money. Now I'm going to do 2 people again. But what I might do, if you guys can get me to 5,000 subscribers before the end of October, I'm going to reward 3 people with some free money. So help me get there before the end of October and 3 people will win some free money. Now the instructions, I'm going to put it down in the comments too. So don't worry about, finding out how to do, what to do to win the free money. I'm going to put it down in the comments below. Now, guys, let me go ahead and get into this. So please watch this all the way to the very end and look for that secret code. All right, without further ado, let me hop over to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm in the Google Play Store and I pulled up this app. It's called Crowdtap. So I'm going to talk about 2 apps. And this first app, as you can see, is called Crowdtap Opinions and Rewards. So let's scroll down here and just look at some screenshots right quick. So right here, it says make your opinions work for you. So yes, this is an opinion or a survey type of app, but it's a real good one, guys. I found this one and I found out it's pretty good. So you're going to like this app. And this right here, so it says this is how the survey is going to look. So when you travel, what do you usually stay? Where do you usually stay? So as you can see, it's just little simple questions like this. So let's go to the next one. Right here, tell us how likely you are to buy a sparkling beverage. I can't even say that word. Beverage with the following flavors. So you just put down there what flavors you like. Look at simple questions. And right here, said the more you answer, the more you earn. And use your points, so you're going to be earning points. Use your points to redeem rewards. And let's go ahead and scroll down here and read a little bit more. So, always earning. Every question, survey, or prompt you complete adds points you can spend on hundreds of dollars worth of gift cards rewards. So always rewarding is not just gift cards from retailers like Amazon, but also spend your reward points on Nike, Xbox, eBay, and much more. Let's see. So you're going to be getting some gift cards, guys, and you can always trade those gift cards in for PayPal money. Now, let's scroll down here and look at the review and the rating. So the rating out of 5 stars is 4.4, which is always excellent. Anything over 4 stars is excellent. Now let's read a review. This person named Tanner Babes, love the name. She says, I get tons of questions every day. This would be my 3rd year using Crowdtap, and I redeem my points once a year, totaling $380 a year. Now, I know that don't sound much in a year, but that's some good money you can make, side money you can make, because this app is not going to make you rich, but there's some good side money you can make just by answering those little simple questions. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. This is a pretty good survey app. You see the questions are short and you're going to earn points for every question you answer. It only takes less than a minute. So it's not one of those survey apps that have long 20-minute surveys where you got to go through that whole thing until you earn points. No, this is not that type of app. So go ahead and go to Crowdtap, Opinions and Rewards, or Google Play. Now let me go to the next app. Now I'm at the next app, and the name of this app is Gift Loop Charge Screen. Play games and win rewards. So this is a really good app, guys. You're going to have some fun with this app because you're going to be playing games. And then you're going to be making money all different other ways. And I'm going to show you in a minute. So let's just look at the screenshots here. So gift and causes. So you're going to be earning points or coins. When you earn enough, you'll be able to get Netflix, Nike, Amazon, Google Play. And as you can see here, collect coins and continue. Now, this is a different way to earn some money. Earn while charging. So you're going to be able to earn some coins and redeem those coins for money or gift cards just by charging your phone. You can also earn coins while charging your phone. It will start automatically next time you plug in your phone. It's the easiest way to earn. That is very easy. You mean making money doing nothing. That's the way, guys, because we always got to charge our phone. And here's some more gifts and causes. And it's also tablet ready, so you don't have to just have a phone. You can have your tablet and do the same. All right, let's scroll down here and just see what else they have. Well, they don't have that much in the description here. We basically went over it, but let's just read it right quick. It said, charge your phone, play games and win, answer questions, do quizzes, win, save when you shop with our cashback partners and win, enter raffles for your favorite gadgets and win, download gift loop today and join millions of happy users. Now let's scroll down here and see how happy they are. Now, out of 5 stars, it's 4.6. Sounds like they're really happy, guys. Sounds like a lot of people are really happy with this app. And that's that's better than the last one, 4.6, guys. All right. Now let's go ahead and read one of these reviews. We got several to choose from that has good reviews. Let's just go ahead with the first one. So this one, the first one, they said, I have enjoyed and will continue to enjoy this app. You really can get gift cards from Gift Loop. The only problem was when I tried to cash out 2 of the same gift cards, one right after the other. So they just had problems trying to cash out the gift cards one after another. And look at this. Gift Loop answer them and say, hey, we're going to solve that issue. Now that's when you have good customer service. So you want to use an app that has good customer service, so when they have some type of issue, they let you know about it. And look here, they answer all these questions all these people had on here. Okay, guys. So this is a good app to use. And go ahead and get started. Make that money. And definitely you can make $8.80 with both of these apps, because like I said, with the surveys, don't take that much time. And on here, all you got to do is charge your phone. You make that $8. And do other things too, games. All right, guys, go ahead and go to Gift Loop, charge screen, play games, and win rewards on Google Play. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below. And make sure you ask any type of question that you have about both of these apps. Don't hesitate. Let me know. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thanks again for your support. Road to 5,000. Let's get there within 2 to 3 weeks. We can do it, guys. We can do it. Share this, and we can get there. All right, one more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on.